until we found freedom. We heard that there was a vast difference between freedom and the rest. So that is why I decided to go in for freedom. The freedom, or the good thing about freedom is that with the other chemicals, when you do sports spray or whatever, as soon as it rains, it washes everything out. But with freedom, because it is waterproof, so even after the rain, it still becomes effective and it's still working. Rain or no rain, it is still working. It is very good. When in the past, when I was using those other chemicals, around this time of the season, May, about 3 weeks to harvesting, you go around and you find a lot of fruits on the ground that have been destroyed by fruit flies. But when I started using Freedom, I know that it is not to say it is 100%, but it is, you can count the fruits, just few. Some of the trees you don't find any droppings at all. Yeah, so that is the vast difference.